We start the special assembly for the day. First, we have Khirat by Manal of 2B3.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم ومن ستر مسلما ستره الله في الدنيا والآخرة. رسول Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that whoever covers the faults of a Muslim, Allah will cover his faults in this world and in the hereafter. Thank you. Today's thoughts of the day is freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart, and memorize in our soul. Lesson and say, we have to follow the rules. Our parents set rules at home. Our principal sets rules at school. Our class teacher sets rules in the class. Why do they set rules? Yes, for our safety, for our good. Just imagine what will happen if your father does not follow the traffic lights and road signs on the road. Tell me. True. That leads to accidents. So, my dear friends, following rules is important. Home rules, school rules, class rules, road rules. Rules, rules, rules. Similarly, every country has its own rules. The rule set by the country is called constitution. A constitution is a set of rules according to which a country runs. Today we are going to celebrate the Constitution Day. India celebrates the Constitution Day every year on 26th November. Now, my friends are going to tell you why do we celebrate the Constitution Day. All the countries have their own set of rules. That is Constitution. We are Indians and we follow our Constitution. Rules set by our country, India. National Constitution Day or Constitution Day of India is celebrated on 26th November every year to mark the adoption of the Constitution. 26th November has its own importance in the history of independent India because on this day, Constitution of India was adopted and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Therefore, marking the dawn of new era, it is celebrated to acknowledge the contribution of the framers of the Constitution. Thank you. He was born on April 14, 1891. He was the first law minister in the cabinet of Jawaharlal Nehru. He fought to eradicate the social evils. He played a significant role in framing our Constitution. He lived for people, worked for people, and felt for people. He was awarded the highest citizen award, Bharat Ratna, in 1990,
In honor of his contribution to the country, his birthday, April 14, is annually observed as Jayanti. My friends will tell you more about the Indian Constitution. Thank you.
The day, which is also known as Samvidhan Divas or National Law Day or National Constitution Day, is celebrated in all the schools and organizations to raise awareness about the Indian Constitution and its importance in our daily life.
All the rules given in our constitution.
So, my dear friends, we have learned that the Constitution is the backbone of every nation. It is for the betterment of the people and nation. So, we should respect its dignity and follow the rules laid down in a diligent manner to live in peace and harmony. We will be good sons, daughters, friends, citizens, and students, and yes, a very good human being and shine like the sun. Thank you. Laws set the standard for acceptable and unacceptable behaviors. Laws provide access to justice, ensure our rights as citizens. Laws keep every safe. Laws are important to maintain peace. Laws are important for social progress. Laws make humans' rights a reality. We kids are tomorrow's adults. It's ethically, morally right to follow rules. We are all in this together. Jai Hind.
As
Constitution.
very good constitution. So we are going to follow it and honor the book and the rule and the laws that are written in it. So we are celebrating Constitution Day.
We, the people of India,
We, the people of India,
having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, and to secure to all its citizens